Hi everybody. Today we'll talk about separable equations. So what are they? Definition. These are equations, first order equations. Of the form so dy dx first order because we only have first order derivative equal to a function of x times function of y. Okay. So y is equal to separable because the dependence on x and y has been separated in a product. So here, g depends only on x and h only on y. Okay, so that's why it's called separable. Okay. Let's get a flavor of them and see some examples and non-examples. First, some examples. So the following linear example, the equation, the ODE, dy dx 2x minus 3 over y is separable because it's of the form 2x minus 3 times 1 over y. This is our g of x, and this is our h of y. Okay, let's see one more. They can also be nonlinear. So the ODE x minus 5 over y squared, once again, separable in a product form. And they can even be very complicated non-linearly. So we have x squared plus 1, and then the y shows up inside transcendental functions. So again, this is a product. Okay. This is our g of x. This is our h of y. Okay. Now let's look at some non-examples. That is examples of ODEs that cannot be separated. The ODE of the form dy dx equal to g of y, g of x plus h of y, where g and h are non-constant functions. Okay. So right away you get a very big non-constant functions. You get a very big family. From here, what's an example? So yeah. So for example, yeah. So equation of this one cannot be separable. For example, dy dx equal e to the x plus y. You cannot write this as a product. Okay. Another example are ODEs of the form, are many ODEs where of the form dy dx equal to f of xy, where f is a transcendental function. So there are many examples of this that are not separable. So let's see some examples. Dy dx equal to cosine xy, dy dx e to the xy, right? So because this is a common mistake, let me say it here. This is not equal to ex ey as a parenthesis. This is equal, in fact, to ex plus y. It says there's a side note. So yeah, this is not separable. And what's another one? Log. Times y, because that falls into the previous example. Okay, and that's it for now. Next, we go for methods.